Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening sticker magnet station. Design your own creative stickers, 4 colored pens, transparent tape, sticker tape, and magnet sticker included. From Totally Knit, Morning Chicken Hazards, is free and up, 17 pieces, and trying to pack. So that's about it, so let's open it. These are like those sticker papers things. These 4 colored pens and the sticker sheets. We don't need this box for now, so let's just check it. Okay, let's open these. This is like those sticker paper things. These are plastic. It's black. This is tape. This is paper. These are random things. And these are the 4 color pencils, markers, or whatever you want to call them. Or water pens, watercolor pens. These are also considered watercolor pens. All these watercolor pens, there's red or yellow, there's red, yellow, green, blue. Let's check this out. Oh geez, what the heck? This one on here. I think you have to do this first. Yeah, I'm sure. Put in here and then put this inside of here. And then oh, and then you have to do this. Wait, actually, no. This is usable. What the heck? 4B, 5B. That, what? I think I'm gonna take this out, just in case. And not. When you place the guiding tip through the plastic bar and turn the wheel to feed the tip. The guiding tip along to the attached clear tape strip should pass through the slot. Actually, no, like this. I think just now you're gonna take. Can you help me? Take this thing off. And then you need Is this tape? You just push this sticker. I don't understand what they're saying though. And then you're supposed to make this paper go in front of here. You also need to take this sticky tape off. And oops. How convenient. I think this is like thick. It's like sticker tape. Actually, no. No, I did it backwards. Like this. Now I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put this.
It's difficult to read the instructions.
Yeah. Turn the wheel until there are no bubbles or air pockets between the clear plastic film and tape sticker paper. Yeah, make sure. Pass it through the sticker machine by turning the wheel. The picture will now have a layer of clear plastic. No, wait, what? Ensure the next cut off the front section. The sticker machine is now ready for use. I don't understand. I don't understand.
You understand what?
Place the picture you have cut. Oh, so now you gotta open this.
Yeah, you gotta unpack this one. You got an assistant.
She's my cousin. Why are these plastic bags so hard to open?
Because they make it so
Thank
difficult to
goodness
unpack.
we have these pictures and we have scissors.
Yeah.
So,
Those with the color is waiting for you to
cut.
fill up the color.
I want this. Pink one.
Which one you want?
Okay. Okie dokie. She wants this one.
So you can make a sticker magnet.
What do you mean by sticker magnet?
This is a sticker magnet station, right?
Then I don't know what that means. I don't know what is a sticker.
Wait, you read it.
Sticker magnet.
Just the magnets on your fridge.
So
Yes,
it's also a sticker?
Yeah. You put a sticker on a magnet strip, and then at the end you become a magnet, and you stick it on the fridge. I mean, yeah. You know.
Wait. So I think we have to cut this piece off first because it's ugly. Or what if it's like this? I think it's like this.
You read the instruction. I'm not sure.
I-
If it doesn't work on one side, then you flip it over.
Yeah, it's here. If it's a fail, we'll do it again. No big deal. Can you help me check this? I'm not sure. These instructions are not clear.
Which part are you reading? Which is the...
Give me. I'm reading here.
Which number? You tell me the number.
1C. Other than that, let's
Press the
color
end of the sticker paper through the slot at the front of the sticker machine. Ensure it is not slack by the security plate on top of the sticker paper, and then close the transparent cover.
Can you help us? Or we're just gonna... Never mind. Let's check out the magnet.
So what's next?
I already pushed this paper out.
What's the purpose of this one?
I don't know.
Did you do it on the right things? Open the top. Open the transparent cover and mount the roll of sticker paper onto the housing in the position of sun. I guess you do the wrong side.
What do you mean?
You see, the paper roll is like this, but you do the other way around.
No, I don't. I forgot. I did it right and then I flipped it. Give me.
You make sure you follow the instruction. You do it the other side.
Well, I thought.
You do it from the beginning again. Because the paper may be different from one side to the other side.
Is it going in?
So you have to roll this up first.
Huh?
You roll it. Because you didn't follow the instruction
Well,
I told
I
you.
rolled it. Why
You
do
spoil the paper, I guess.
Why do we have to roll it?
Make sure you do it from the very beginning. Everything should be from the beginning. Or else it doesn't work.
Are you sure?
You see?
Yes.
If you follow the instruction.
Now what
Now
about
what's
the
next?
tape?
The tape is here.
Do we put it back?
You make sure you look at the instruction, which side
I
or
don't
which
know.
end.
They don't show. We don't need tape yet.
The
Yeah.
tape is for some other purpose that
We
you can
need
read.
to put this. Actually, and then pass the. What is sticker paper? This?
Okay, it should be shown on the picture on the instruction.
It just shows one black thing.
Which one? Which part you are reading?
This part.
1Z. Press the end of the sticker paper through the slot.
What
You've
is
done it.
sticker-
This is a slot.
Oh.
You've done it already. And then the next one, 2A. Peel away the clear plastic tape along the direction of the arrow and stick it on the plastic gearing strip. Make sure that it's aligned properly.
Then how am I supposed to do that?
Just read it. Picture. The photo guide.
Is this?
No, just this one. They didn't show this one.
Oh no, I broke it. I'm gonna take it out.
It doesn't matter. You just cut off a little bit.
I
You make sure the side on the direction. You take more and you cut more.
well. Can you help me then?
Until you ruin off the whole thing. It's difficult now. You cut it in between, and you just get worse until the whole pack gone. Which direction? You read it.
Okay, this direction. No. I need to read it properly. Do we stick it like this? Why is it taped like this? Like this. No. Why is this so complicated?
It doesn't matter. You put a tape on it first. You put the
Put
roll
the
on top.
tape on where?
The roll. You see the picture. I should.
I don't know. Why is it black? Like this.
Most likely.
And then you put this thing on here. I think we're going to cut it more better.
You don't want the dog euro on top? No?
And then I guess we put it on here. And then we put it on here. And then we
You don't roll back. Roll back will make your thing worse.
do you put this thing in there?
I don't know. What happened?
It's that.
Because you need a sticker.
I don't understand.
You ruin it. You ruin the whole row of sticker. There you go.